Step 1. Create a new project. Open Pycharm and create a new project. In the Project tab on the left, right-click on your project folder, select New Python file, give it a name, and press Enter. Now you're ready to start writing Python code. Step 2. Run your code. To run your program, click the green Play button at the top right corner. Pycharm will execute your code and display the output in the console at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Use built-in tools. Pycharm comes with many useful tools to make coding easier. From the toolbar at the top, you can explore features like version control, debugging, and testing. These tools help streamline your workflow and catch errors quickly. Step 4. Install plugins. To enhance your workflow, you can install plugins. Go to File Settings Plugins, then open the Marketplace tab. Search for the plugin you want, click on it, and select Install. And that's it. You now know the basics of getting started with Pycharm. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.